Alright guys, right now I'm done with phase 1 here. I was using the metal rake. So far I like what I'm seeing here. So I just gotta come in here with a rubber rake and see how far I can get this thing. But at the moment it's looking really good. It's really looking good. So yeah, I will just have to wait and see after I'm done with this rubber rake. And I should be done. This thing was a lot harder than I thought it would. So yeah, I'm just gonna flip you around and then get back to it. And just like that guys, I think I'm done here. So I'm just gonna flip you around so that you guys can see. It's not 100% perfect, but I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. So take a look at that guys. If you remember at the start of the video, there was a lot of grass here and the area was a little bit uneven. The camera is not doing you any justice, but as you can see here, it's nice and even. So I'm just left with getting rid of this humps that I make here, and I should be done here.